So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I DIY'd my old brown ceiling fans. I purchased these ceiling fans from Home Depot about 10 years ago when I was into the browns. Well, I feel bad getting rid of these good working fans just because of the style, so I decided to give it a whole new look. I first started by bringing the ceiling fan down piece by piece. I then went ahead and washed every piece I was able to wash just to make sure I didn't leave any dust on them. I used this Rust-Oleum Universal Metallic Paint and Primer in 1 Sand Nickel. I first gave it a light coat of spray paint to all the metal pieces. For this piece, I went ahead and loosened up the screws. I pushed the switch in, and on this other side, I went ahead and unscrewed this piece just to make sure to get the chain in. I then went ahead and used the press and seal plastic just to cover up all the pieces that I did not want to get spray paint on. I then went ahead and used another piece on the bottom part of it. Same thing to protect it from the spray paint. Then I went ahead and gave it a light coat of spray paint. I then went ahead and repeated the process on the blade holders. After about 40 minutes, I went ahead and gave it the second coat of spray paint to all the pieces. As for the base, I wasn't able to bring the base down. Therefore, I just covered the ceiling with some press and seal plastic and some tape, and spray painted. For the blades, I went ahead and set them on a table. I noticed they were kind of dusty, so I went ahead and grabbed a wet rag and cleaned them up. I used the BEHR Paint Primer, flat white from BEHR. Spray them and don't worry about getting them perfectly painted. For the blades, I went ahead and used a dark gray, which this one happened to be smoke gray, a brown, coffee bean color, and a light gray, which this one happened to be a H gray. I first started by spraying the tip of a paintbrush. So lightly you place the paintbrush on the blade and just give it some long sweeping strokes. Make sure to keep the brush strokes going all the same directions. This is giving it like a distressed look. Then repeat the process with the dark gray color. And then same thing with the light gray. Just slightly place it on the blade and give it some long strokes. I then went to Lowe's and found these ceiling fan shade replacements for just under $15. So here it is. It's called the Light Kit Replacement Glass. Like I said, it's from Lowe's. And here's my old one. As you can see, it's a tan shade. And then this is the new one I just purchased. It's more of a white frosted color. And here are the final results.